আমার প্রিয় ছাত্ররা, আজকে তোমাদের কিরশফস ল এর উপরে কিছু অ্যাপ্লিকেশান বা এগুলো দেখাবো। তোমরা এটাকে ফলো করো। ফার্স্ট কিরশফ ফার্স্ট ল, কেসিএল, কিরশফ চার্জ ল, কিরশফ চার্জ ল, কিরশফ চার্জ ল যে sum of current at any junction, say is the junction and current entering I1 I2 and leaving the current I3 and I4. So the entering the current, sum of current entering the current is equal to leaving the current. Entering the current sign positive and leaving the current is negative. Entering the current positive sign convention and leaving the current is negative. So the sum of the current in junction I1 plus I2 positive minus I3 minus I4 is equal to the sum of current in any junction is 0. Second law, KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law, the summation of the potential difference in any loop, closed loop, is equal to 0. Potential difference. Let us suppose the circuit diagram is a closed loop A, B, C, D. So the current direction, say current I, and the resistance R1, R2, R3, EMF E1 and E2. Current direction, say the closed loop ABCDA is a closed loop and current direction through the E1 is plus to minus. Mesh or closed loop ABCDA through the E1 is minus E1 and minus IR2 minus IR3 plus E2 and minus IR1 is 0. So sign convention through the resistor, the current direction is this direction, current passing, and the mesh direction as same. So the voltage drop is minus IR. In battery EMF, mesh direction and the battery EMF E. So the mesh direction and the battery plus to minus direction is same. So the potential drop is minus Find the currents in different branches. Say A, B, C, D, E, A. Through the first we follow the mesh A, B, E, F, A. Through AB the current passing suppose I1, and the mesh direction is clockwise A, B, E, F, A. So from second law, Kirchhoff's second law, through 2 volt the current, and the second loop the current say I2. So at the junction B, the first law of Kirchhoff's law, towards B the current passing I1 plus I2. I1 and I2 is entering at B is equal to the leaving current I1 plus I2 at B. So at the loop ABEFA we can write plus 2 volt minus 2 into I1 plus I2, because the direction of current in 2 ohm and the mesh direction is same. So the potential drop minus of 2 into I1 plus I2, and then 2 voltage minus plus of 2 volt and minus 2 I1 is equal to 0. Simplify this equation. Minus 2 I1 minus 4 I1 minus 2 I2 is equal to minus 4, or 2 I1 plus I2 is equal to 2. Equation 1. Next, we consider the mesh direction by closed loop C, B, E, D, C. A closed loop এর ক্ষেত্রে a loop we can write minus 2 I1 plus I2 plus 2 minus 2 I1 I2 plus 2 current flow from 2 ohm is I2 minus 2 I2 is equal to, or minus 2 I2 minus 2 I2, 2 I1 minus 4 I2 is equal to minus 4, or I1 plus I2, 2 I2 is equal to 2. This is the equation 2. Solving from equation 1 and 2, 2 I1 plus I2 is equal to 2, and 2 I1 plus 4 I2 is equal to 4, minus 3 I2 is equal to minus 2, or I2 is equal to 2/3, then I1 is equal to 2 minus half of 2 minus I2, 2 minus I2 is equal to 3 6 6 minus 2 4 by 3 half into is equal to 2 by 3. I1 equals to half of 2 minus I2. 2 minus I2, and this equation I1 is equal to 2 by 3, 2 upon 3 plus 2 into I2, 2 upon 3, 6 6. So the value of I1 I2 satisfy both equation 1 and 2. I1 is 2/3 ampere, I2 2/3 ampere is same. Otherwise, if the loop considered in anti-clockwise, so the result is same. This and this, or both clockwise or both anti-clockwise. Next problem. Minus 5 ohm, 6 ohm and 1 ohm, 4 ohm plus 5 volt and 8 ampere, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 5 ohm, 21 volt, 4 ohm and 5 volt and 2 volt, 16 ohm, 16 ohm. This is the junction B and D, A and C. Find the current in its branches and the current in its in different branches. So first we consider these branches, the current passing through I1 and this I2. So at the junction A, I1 is entering and I2 leaving. So I1 minus I2. 6 ohm. I1 minus I2. So that the junction point A, the sum of algebraic sum of total currents I1 minus I1 minus I2 this branches I2. Suppose the through BD the current is I3. So I1 is entering and I3 leaving. So the towards DC the current I2 minus I3 and I3 is equal to I1. So the junction point at C, the total current, sum of current is I1 minus minus I2 entering the current and the leaving sum of leaving current I1 plus I3 I1 leaving and entering the current I2 plus I3 entering I1 plus I2 entering plus I3 entering. So ion and ion entering I2 leaving, say I prime is equal to ion minus I2. At the point C, ion plus I2 entering the current from A to C, and the current B to C, I2 minus I3, B to C, I2 minus I3. So I3 cancel and I2 cancel is equal to IR justified. The mesh loop is the clockwise and clockwise. So from the first loop, second loop and third loop. First, second and third. First, second and third. From the first loop, 5 minus 5 ion, first loop, loop on, minus 5 ion, minus 6 to ion minus I2 and minus 1 into ion plus 21 is equal to 0, the equation 1. And the second loop, loop 2, minus 5 minus 8 into I2 minus I3 and plus 6 into opposite direction. So the sign is plus 6 into I1 minus I2 is equal to and minus 4 I2. This mesh direction and current direction is same. So minus sign, minus 4 I2 is equal to 0. The equation 2. And the loop 3 clock direction, clockwise. So the 16 ohm resistor, the current passing through I3. So minus of 16 I3, minus to plus EMF. So the EMF positive 2 and the direction is opposite. So the sign is positive 8 into I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. Calculate the three equation and we get I1, I2 and I3. Today the lecture is end. Next day